Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a short ride review for you today. I'm heading to Brindle Room. The owner reached out to me and invited me to come in and try some of the food. It's been a while since I was there. In fact, the place closed down and reopened. So they closed down I don't know, 2 years ago, and then reopened last year. Moved location, slightly different spot. Brindle Room is known for their burger, and they had this awesome duck poutine on the menu that was really good. But anyway, this place is on 11th Street and Avenue C, so I'm just going to take a nice leisurely ride up Columbia, which turns into D after we cross Houston, and meeting up with the cake dealer there. Should be good. You know, this is a lot like the ride we just did to Fiasceteria. In fact, it's right next door to Fiasceteria Pistoia, the little Italian place that I went to last week. So I'm going to take this left up here, and then another left. No, a right, sorry. I got some squeaky brakes. I got to adjust the wheel a little bit. Maybe later when we get home. All right, 12th Street, taking this next right. And it should be right on the right. Yep. Oh yeah, I see it. It's right next door. Yeah, this is their outdoor seating too, so I can lock the bike up. All right, I'll see you on the inside. Whatever, inside's good. Thanks. Cheers. Strong. It's good.
I thought that was coming out.
Those ribs look really good. Fried pickles. I like that they're full wings. The full wings with the little edges on them.
Oh.
Ooh, thank you. I wanted to try these too.
Okay.
All right, this is a date stuffed with goat cheese and wrapped with bacon. I was really excited to try these. That's really good. Fried pickle. These are probably my favorite fried item, other than potatoes. Potatoes are the best. Those are good. It's like a cornmeal crust. Now, the porchetta flavored ribs, dry rub. There's a little garlic and parsley on there. Oh man, these are incredible. Holy crap. You're gonna love these. That burger looks incredible. Got a variety of sauces. We got our poivre sauce, we got aioli, ketchup, and then pork loin over here. Pork looks good. I can't wait to try this hot sauce too. It tastes like steak. They call it a steakhouse burger for a reason, I guess. It's really good. Good crust on there. Pickles, American cheese. Salted nicely, seasoned well. And they got this poivre sauce. I'm gonna dip it in there. Now it's like steak frites in a burger. So good. This is awesome. All right, Brindle Room. Man, that place, that is good stuff. I knew I liked the burger because I've had it in the past, but just out of the park. It really tasted like a steak. You saw me dip it into the au poivre sauce. That's the move right there. Good stuff. Porchetta ribs were delicious. Make sure you get those. They taste just like the porchetta, if you're familiar with it. It's like a rolled pork product. Usually like a cold cut. Although sometimes you get it with the crispy skin and they slice it thick and serve it hot. But tasted just like that, but in rib format. Delicious. Only other place I've ever had something like that was Ristoro del Cingale, which is now closed. So I'm glad I can get it somewhere, and it's close. Pork loin, really good. Their hot sauce was great, spicy, vinegary, cuts through the fat. Let's see what else. Bacon wrapped dates stuffed with goat cheese. That's a winner. I wanted to try it. I didn't want to overdo it and order too much, and they brought them out anyway, so I was really happy about that. And let's see, the wings. I love that they give you the full wings with the little tip on it, that crispy tip that you can just gnaw at and chew on. It's like part bone, part skin, cartilage, but it's good. I really like that. And fried pickles, I'm always a fan of fried pickles. Strong cocktails. I got their Brindle tea, which is like a Long Island iced tea. Real strong, real good. And we were definitely too full for dessert, so we just took off. But as usual, make sure you jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review, the full write-up, all the pictures, all the details. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.